Picture this. The tension is palpable. A man stands tall, bow in hand, eyes fixed on a large target. He's got the determination of an Olympian, the precision of an archer, but alas, the accuracy of a blindfolded mole. The arrow is released. It slices through the air like a hot knife through butter, but oh no, it's veered off course. Suddenly, a bystander becomes the unwitting participant in this spectacle, unaware he's caught off guard as the stray arrow finds a new bullseye. He yelps. But wait, that's no ordinary yelp, it's a bark. Yes, this unsuspecting gent has been transformed into a human canine thanks to our archer's misguided arrow. So remember, when you're stepping up to the archery line, make sure your aim is true or your day may take an unexpected turn. Tune in next time for more unforeseen adventures.